we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of NULAEO 3600 square feet dehumidifier. Consists of the following features. Universal and powerful dehumidifier for humidity coverage. Our dehumidifier built with advanced compressor, making a difference compared with other regular dehumidifiers. Efficiently helping maintain a comfortable environment like basements, bedrooms, bathrooms, or RVs up to 3,600 square feet, at 95-90% RH. Simply set your target humidity, 10% to 90%. Smart and safe compressor. 3 minutes compressor protection prevents the dehumidifier from starting immediately after a complete cycle to avoid any potential damage. Auto defrost works when frost builds up on the evaporator coils. The dehumidifier will restart with the previous function settings automatically when the power resumes if the dehumidifier shuts off unexpectedly due to power outage. Considerate and convenient design, owing to ergonomic recessed lifting handles and 360 wheels handles for effortless room-to-room portability. Designed with auto-stop removable and visible water tank, max capacity, 0.53 gallons, detachable washable filter mesh, no replacement costs, and 24-hour timer help you monitor your humidification process better. Easy use and room quiet dehumidifier. The function buttons are grouped on the easy operation panel. You can adjust the mode and humidity parameters in seconds. Low speed runs at just 35 to 40 decibels, quieter than standard 42 decibels dehumidifiers, suitable as a quiet dehumidifier for bedroom, office, or nighttime use, creating a peaceful and no disturbance environment. 3 intelligent operating modes. Features DEHU mode for automatic humidity maintenance between 10 to 90%. Dry mode for laundry assistance, and CUNT mode for continuous operation, along with smart touchscreen controls and 24-hour timer functionality for customized moisture control. Flexible drainage options, offers convenient drainage with either a 0.53 gallons auto-stop removable tank or continuous gravity drainage via the included 6.56 feet hose, providing versatile solutions for different usage scenarios and preferences. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.